Yo, so XRP just reclaimed $2, sitting around 218 right now at the time we speak, and I'll show you guys here in a bit. But after how we ended December, this reset actually matters. Like, let's break it down and see what this move means and what I'm watching next for the week, and probably even throughout 2026. But we're looking like things have reset, and we're gaining a lot of traction after this reset. So year-end selling pressure, it's all gone. And then we've got all of the January pieces starting to creep up. So let's see if this is going to be kind of like a real setup, or if it's going to be a trap, and then what I'm looking for, around these times. But yeah, we got a massive spike up, which is always a great thing. But I hope and I trust that you did get some sales, for XRP, and getting it at a really got a good price around like 175 is pretty solid. So I did. And if you watch my channel, then you should be aware, around these price targets and what we're looking for. And what I usually focus on and preach is going to be more infrastructure of XRP. These weekly charting is just to keep myself up to date, and then also, keep you up to date with what's going on as far as XRP pricing goes on a weekly basis. So right now, overall, actually, let's get into it and then we'll kind of break it down. Let me get this guy set up, and then we can go ahead and get kicked off. Let's do crypto bubbles, and then let me pop over here. Sorry, sticking my head up too high, probably because I was talking, you guys missed my whole head. But let's do this. So we got crypto bubbles up here for the market cap for the year. We're still in the red. This is for, let's look at the market cap for the year. Still in the red. We've got down 4%. I mean, it's the start of the year, but overall, let's check this out. And then we'll do for the month, we are all green. And then for the week, all green. Day's gonna be 50-50. Bitcoin is up 4%, 4.4%. And then we've got XRP, going back to number 3 spot, up 7%, almost 8%. But let's pop into coin market cap and see a lot of we're overbought right now. So fear, greed, we're neutral. And then let's take a deeper look at XRP. Geez, for the week we're up 17%. Most of it's probably from today. You see all this massive spike across multiple days, but since the first, you can see like it jump up. Okay, 219, we're at the high right now, 177, and no other news. Let's pop into Webull real quick and see how we are doing. Ooh, we are at 219. So let's see if we can, these are my levels that I wrote up. So we're breaking resistance right now. Okay, so we're breaking resistance. See that candle? We're looking pretty good. Let's see if we can keep this up. If this is gonna keep up, then we'll be looking for the next target. It's going to be around 250. That's the next resistance area. And then this is 219 is, let's see how we end up with the day. But if we stick it out through here, then this will be our new support range. As long as we continue above the $2 range, I feel confident that, we'll be able to get up to that 250. And then shortly after that, we'll see about the 271, and then just upwards from that. But the downside, we're going to want to make sure that we look at the $2 range for the downside and see if these makes sense as far as the staircases go. But we are breaking the trend. So this is the downside downtrend. Right now, we're hitting a good resistance spot. So if you are swing trading this or just trading in general, beware of these levels. But if you're holding long term, this is great news. We're breaking the trend and we're going upwards. But it could always, because we're at resistance, could always dip back down. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, is to keep at the 219 as a support. And then we'll go to the 250, which is another psychological area for us to look at. Let's pull up Perplexity and see if there's anything else that's going on. Let's check this out. I did this. How is doing this week? And any macro news? Hopefully my music's not too loud. Okay, so we are XRP's pushing higher with the rest of crypto at the start of 2026, trading a bit above $2 in the short term uptrend as macro and micro or market sentiment improve from late 2025 lows. Great start to the year. And then we've got XRPs around 209, 215 today, up about 3 to 4% from yesterday, and still roughly 14% below where it was a year ago. Okay, nothing else crazy. So we've got, in practical terms, this week XRP is in a short-term rebound above $2 with room towards 220, 230. Okay, sounds about right. I think like if we keep this up, we'll go up to like 250. Okay, nothing else. So that's what I'm going to be looking for this week. And yeah, looks like things are resetting. It's a great start to the new year. Continue on with what you're doing. So make sure you guys are getting some much needed rest to the new year and set your goals and or just focus on your current goals. Catch you guys next week in the next one. See you later.